To start, it's important to wash your fruits and vegetables with a fruit and vegetable cleansing spray to remove any potential contaminants. Once they are washed, you can begin juicing them in a high-powered juicer. Begin by juicing the pineapple, which is high in digestive enzymes that can help break down food in your gut. The golden beets are also great for cleansing the liver and promoting healthy digestion. Next, add the gala apples to the juicer, which are a good source of fiber and antioxidants that can help improve gut health. Ginger is also an excellent addition to this mix, as it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the gut. The cucumber is another great ingredient to include, as it has a high water content that can help flush toxins out of your system. Kale is also a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants that can help support overall digestive health. Finally, add in the celery and carrots, which are both high in fiber and can help promote healthy bowel movements. Together, all of these ingredients work together to create a juice that is both delicious and nutritious, while also helping to cleanse your gut and improve digestion. It's important to note that this method does not require any water or sugar, as the natural sweetness of the fruits and vegetables should be enough to make the juice palatable. You can enjoy this juice once a day as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle to support overall gut health. Drinking this juice can be an effective way to support gut health because the ingredients are all nutrient dense, meaning they provide a lot of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help promote overall health and well-being. The ingredients also have various specific health benefits that can help improve digestion and support gut health. For example, pineapple contains the enzyme bromelain, which has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the gut and improve digestion. Golden beets are rich in betalains, which are antioxidants that can help protect against inflammation and oxidative stress. Gala apples contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can help support healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Ginger has long been known for its digestive properties, as it can help reduce nausea, bloating, and other digestive discomfort. Cucumbers are a great source of hydration and can help flush out toxins from the body. Kale is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber, which can help support overall digestive health. Celery and carrots are both high in fiber, which is important for healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. When making this juice, it's important to use a high-powered juicer that can extract as much of the nutrients as possible from the fruits and vegetables. It's also a good idea to use organic produce when possible, as this can help minimize exposure to pesticides and other harmful chemicals. Juicing can be a great way to consume a variety of fruits and vegetables in one go, which can help provide a range of nutrients that can support overall health and well-being. Juicing can also be easier on the digestive system, as the body doesn't have to work as hard to break down and absorb the nutrients. When it comes to gut health specifically, juicing can be particularly beneficial because it can help provide the body with nutrients that can support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria are important for overall digestive health, as they help break down food and absorb nutrients, while also protecting against harmful bacteria and other pathogens. Juicing can also be a great way to get more fiber into your diet, which is important for healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Many of the fruits and vegetables commonly used in juicing are high in fiber, which can help feed the good bacteria in your gut and support overall digestive health. In addition to the fruits and vegetables used in the juice, it's also important to drink plenty of water and stay hydrated throughout the day. This can help flush out toxins from the body and support healthy digestion. It's also important to maintain a healthy and balanced diet, including plenty of whole foods and sources of lean protein. Overall, juicing can be a great way to support gut health and improve digestion. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense fruits and vegetables into your diet, you can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive and support overall well-being. To conclude, juicing with nutrient-dense fruits and vegetables such as pineapples, golden beets, gala apples, ginger, cucumber, kale, celery, and carrots can be a great way to support gut health and improve digestion. The ingredients used in this particular juice recipe are high in fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, reduce inflammation in the gut, and promote healthy digestion. It's important to use a high-powered juicer to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from the fruits and vegetables, and to use organic produce when possible to minimize exposure to harmful chemicals. Additionally, it's important to maintain a healthy and balanced diet, drink plenty of water, and stay hydrated throughout the day to support overall digestive health. Overall, juicing can be a great addition to a healthy lifestyle, but it's important to remember that it should be used as a supplement to a well-rounded diet and not as a replacement for whole foods. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense fruits and vegetables into your diet, you can support overall gut health and improve digestion, leading to better overall health and well-being. In summary, drinking a juice made from pineapples, rolling beets, gala apples, ginger, cucumber, kale, celery, and carrots can be a great way to support gut health and improve digestion. The ingredients are all nutrient dense and have specific health benefits that can help promote overall well-being.